Hi.
So today we are going to have some conversation of our book. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. Firstly, for me, I'm Archanjela Benita Amadia Pasha with student number of 2512140448.
My name is Ignacia Tanya Putri for student number 251214054. So, what's your book?
Mine was a small book called Marcel and the Mona Lisa.
Marcel and the Mona Lisa. What is that?
Mainly it's like quite of a photo book, but there's people in it. It's about a small mouse loving art and things with picture, and when he go to the museum he see a new guard, and the new guard was quite suspicious for him.
Suspicious.
Yes.
Why it looks suspicious?
Because for some reason he never see the guard, because he's the type of mouse who always visit the museum, and when he go there the new guard was just standing there for some reason, and he feels like something was off, but he can name it, he can put his name on it. So he went to his friend, another mouse too, named Celine, who also lived under the building of the museum. And then he said that I see the new guard, but I don't know who. Then Celine said he just came, I guess. Maybe the museum want to add a new guard since there's a new painting there. So that's how Marcel feel like, oh okay then. But when he returned from Celine's house after the dinner time, Marcel see the guard stealing Mona Lisa painting, and he bought it just out from the frame and go out from the museum and just run away.
Okay. And then what?
The next thing happened was Marcel decided to just jump into the man's back so he can follow the man until
He is a little, so
yes, he
can just
jump in.
jump in the back.
Yes. So after he jumped in, he felt like his body was shaking. So he knew that the person who bring the book at the back was running, going into transportation kind of thing, and then just he feels like, oh, we're going somewhere, and turned out they went from Paris to Italy. It's quite far, but not too far too. So Marcel followed him, and then they got into the boat, and the boat sent them into one of the biggest mafia in Italy.
Wow. Biggest. Okay.
But I remember Marcel saying that he was hearing about the man talking about cats, and you know cats and mouse relationship, right? And then when
They are enemy.
yes, and when he go out from the back, once they got there, the cat was chasing him. So he need to think, he need to run away from the place, right? So he ran away, he grabbed a candle that was standing there and then just push it, so it burned the whole house. And the cat was scattering around, that the people was panicking, like, grab the cat, don't let them burn the house. And Marcel took the time, the opportunity to just grab the painting, but since it was a big painting, he was in much struggle since he carrying it with his small body. And once he got into outside, he was like, oh God, thanks God I can get out from there. And then he think again, how I bring this back, since it's a painting and there's no way a mouse like him would bring it back to the museum and
Talk to police.
yes. And then he got an idea that there's a post that you can send a message to the police, and then he sent the painting there. So the one who got the title of bringing back the painting was the police, not him. But he's fine. At least he can save the painting. He was more care with the painting then his own title or something, and then he returned to Paris, and then he returned to Stalin house, and he tell the whole story to her. She was like, "Oh my God, cats! You fight with the cats? Oh my God, you know, like cats was our biggest enemy," kind of thing. And Marcel was right. That's a huge adventure for me. And then now it's time for us to have a rest, just like that.
So interesting. Actually, the mouse Marcel is really clever.
Yes, I know.
Yeah. But sometimes mouse is always
Wandering around, kind of thing.
yeah, and people always think that mouse is always it's like a robbery,
Yeah, right.
but he give the paint back to the museum.
Yes. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.